Hello everybody, here is another episode of my trip. This time the footage covers 2 days. I started the ride in Portugal and after half an hour I crossed the border with Spain. Then I turned towards Santiago the Compostella. After reaching Santiago, I wandered a bit around the city, some sightseeing and short break for something to eat. After leaving Santiago, I headed towards the north coast of Spain. I spent the night in a very nice place right by the sea at the campground in Asturia. On the second day, early in the morning, I was heading east towards Basque Country. The road along the coast is amazing. The sea on one side and the green mountains on the other. The next stop was San Sebastian. After reaching the city, I just had to go up on the Monte Gueldo by a cable railway. You have a great city panorama from the top. Then I went to the city center to do some sightseeing. I spent the night at the campsite near the city. This is the end of part 10. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.